Building muscle isn't just about lifting random weights and hoping for the best. It's about training smarter, not just harder. And if you apply the next 6 tricks consistently, your body will have no choice but to grow. Let's start with the first one. You go to the gym, you lift heavy, you sweat like crazy, but your muscles still look the same. Meanwhile, someone who started after you is suddenly bigger, stronger, and filling out their t-shirt. So what's going on? Are they using secret supplements? Magic genetics? Not really. The truth is, most people miss a few simple muscle-building tricks that completely change the game. Today, I'll show you 6 simple tricks that can literally double your muscle growth. Let's fix your progress. This is the #1 rule of muscle growth. If your muscles don't face more challenge over time, they won't grow. Imagine doing the same dumbbell curls. 10 kg, 10 reps, every single week. Your body adapts. And once it adapts, growth stops. So here's the fix. Every week, try to increase something. More weight, more reps, or better control. For example, last week, bench press 60 kilograms for 8 reps. This week, try 9 reps. Next week, maybe 62.5 kilograms. Small progress equals massive results over time. Bottom line, if the weight never changes, your body won't change either. A lot of people stop their sets way too early. They do 10 reps, rack the weight, and walk away like the job is done. But their muscles could easily do 5 more reps. That means the muscle never got the signal to grow. For muscle growth, you should train close to failure. That means when the set ends, you feel like you could only do 1 to 2 more reps max. Not 6, not 10, just 1 or 2. That's when the muscle says, okay, we need to grow stronger. Most people lift like this. Up, down, done. It looks like they're speed running the workout. But muscle growth loves time under tension. Try this instead. Lift the weight in 1 second. Lower it in 3 seconds. Slow, controlled, focused. Now your muscles stay under tension longer, which means more muscle stimulation. Plus, you'll instantly realize which exercises you've been cheating on. Spoiler, probably a lot. You can train perfectly, but if your diet is weak, your muscles won't grow, because muscle is built from protein. Think of protein like building bricks. No bricks, no house. A good target is 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So if you weigh 70 kilograms, aim for roughly 110 to 150 grams of protein per day. Simple foods work great. Eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, lentils, protein shakes. No fancy diet needed, just consistency. Here's something many lifters forget. Muscles don't grow in the gym. They grow while you sleep. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone and repairs muscle fibers. But if you sleep like this, 3 a.m., phone scrolling, 5 hours of sleep, wake up tired, your recovery gets destroyed. And recovery equals growth. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night. Your muscles will thank you. And honestly, your entire life improves too. A huge mistake beginners make. New workout every week. Monday, push-pull legs. Next week, bro split. Next week, random YouTube workout. Your muscles never get time to adapt and improve. Instead, stick to a program for 8 to 12 weeks. Focus on getting stronger in the same key exercises. Bench press, squats, pull-ups, rows, shoulder press. Track your progress. Beat your numbers. That's where real growth happens. So if you want faster muscle growth, remember these 6 rules. Progressive overload. Train close to failure. Slow down your reps. Eat enough protein. Sleep properly. Stick to your workout plan. None of these tricks are complicated. But when you combine them, your results can explode. Because muscle growth isn't about secrets. It's about doing the basics better than everyone else. If you're serious about building muscle, start applying at least 3 of these tricks in your next workout. And watch what happens in the next few weeks. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness tips. And remember, your future physique is built 1 workout at a time. Now get back to training. Flex biceps,